Lenny is studying business as one of his subjects at home, and today is his first business plan day. So, Lenny, what's the date today?
25 April 2022.
Okay. And what are you doing this business plan for?
For my bike renting business.
Okay. What's going to be the name of your rental business?
Bike Republic here.
Okay. And who's your target audience?
The ones that circled.
Okay. Why not the locals?
Because a lot of locals already have bikes.
Okay. And why didn't, in your target age group, you didn't circle the 0 to 3-year-olds?
That's too young.
Too young?
Yeah.
At what age did you start riding a two-wheeled
2.
bike? 2. But they're too young.
Yeah. Most.
Okay. Now, how much should your client pay per day for renting a kid's bike? How much do you think out of that amount?
Per day.
Will it be closer to 50 or closer to 200?
Somewhere 50 and 200.
Somewhere between, okay. And for an adult bike, is the price going to be the same?
Between is 100, so fair.
100.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, and how much are you going to be paying to what?
To hotel, 10 to 15%.
So let's say if you make 100 baht from one day's rental, how much are you going to give to the hotel on that day?
15.
15 baht.
Yeah.
15 baht. 15 baht, okay. And what if you decide to give the hotel 10% and you make 100 baht that day? How much are you going to give them?
10% from 100 baht. 10 baht.
And then we have discussed the prices for long-term rent and also the profit. What would Lenny like to do with the profit from his bike business? He said he would like to buy more bikes for the business to grow and also buy some books. And then we discussed what he would need possibly to invest in, so things like a pump or instruments or chain to secure the bike if somebody left it somewhere. Yeah. And then maybe a deposit or a contract. Okay, question number 10.
Marketing. Will you have a sign? What will you write on your sign? Also, I'm going to write new brand.
Okay, move on to question B.
How can people contact you? A number or a website?
Okay,
Which one
a
would be
number or
better?
website. Well, which one is easier?
Maybe a number.
Okay.
Because for a website, it would be a long time. Contact number. I'm also going to put contact number. 845-7694. 845-7694.
So here you should write what? You didn't want website, you wanted phone, right? Move on to question 11.
Languages. Will you add words in other languages?
Yes or no?
Yes, because people from other countries might come and they will not understand the language in your country
Okay.
or continent.
So you chose a yes. Take it?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you have a box, just tick it. Yeah. Okay, let's see. What are you gonna write? Can you read this word?
是的。
是的。
自行车出租
Okay, what does that mean?
bicycle rent.
Is that the appropriate word?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's read the next one. Maybe you're gonna need this one.
出租车
What does that?
出租车 taxi.
Is that a good word to use?
No,
No, so cross it out.
because you know,
Okay, what about this one?
卡车
You're gonna need that one.
No, it's a truck.
It's a truck. Let's see.
I even don't have it right.
In this language, which one are you going to choose to write? Can you read that?
Машина в аренду. Велосипед на прокат. Грузовик на прокат.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, what about this? What does that say?
Bán hải chao
Chow.
chao. Bán hải chao.
What's
No.
that? No.
It's
What does that mean?
rental house.
Rental house. No, that's not good. What does that say? R?
Rot hải chao.
What does that mean?
Current.
Car rent. Now, let's see the third one.
Chakrayan hải chao.
Is that-
Yes.
Yes? What does that say?
Bicycle
Oh,
one.
why are you crossing it out though?
Oh yeah.
Use your eraser at the end of the pencil.
Okay.
Mhm.
I know how. Like that. Like that. You know how I do it?
But I think you better circle it.
Hmm?
Just circle it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what about the Korean? What does that say?
Jajongo.
Mm-hmm.
This one is right.
Okay, circle it then. What does that one say?
Jeep
What does that mean?
house.
House. What about this one?
Bear. Boat.
Boat.
I don't have a boat.
Okay, well done. Exam is finished.